Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to create or to make a photo video on the CapCut application. So first thing you have to do here is just go open the CapCut application. Okay, hold on. When you already open the CapCut application, now you can just start a new project. Since you want to make a photo video, so you just need to go into the photo section, and in this photo section you just need to find out which photo that you want to add to your project. Okay, for example, let's do a test 3. Okay, and now I already have the photo that I want to add to my project, and now just need to click add. Okay, now here we already have the project with the photo on it. So each photo will be a one clip on this project. So the things that you have to do now is just adjusting the length. If you feel that one clip for 3 seconds length is too short, you just need to drag this side into the right side to make it longer. And if you feel that those clip is too long, you can drag it into the inner side or the left side to make it shorter. You can see the durations over here if you want to make it like in the specific seconds or specific times. You just need to adjust and like follow all of the informations that pop up on the sides. Okay, I want to make each being 2 seconds. Wait, hold on. Okay, now I already have 2 second each clip, and now to make this video like have a smooth moving, let's add animation or transitions on it by click this square tools here. Just go click it, and after that you just need to find out what transitions that probably match with you want. Okay, I'll like to use this. Okay, and you're done. When you're done, you just need to click done. You can do for the rest. You can also choose the same, or you can also choose the difference. And after you're done, just click done. And now let's check for the result. So that's the way how to make a photo video on a CapCut application. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.